তো শুরু করা হোক আজকের সেশন। আজকে বোটানি। Which of the following varieties is of भिंडी that is resistant to yellow mosaic virus? तो हिमगिरी तो नॉय, पूसा कोमल भी नहीं है, प्रभानिक क्रांति is the right answer. Next, select the correct statement among the following options. Indian Council of Forest Research and Education ICFRE carries out the evolution for the newly developed improved varieties of crops. ये तो ठीक लग रहा है. Collection of only wild species of a particular crop is considered as germplasm collection. ये तो wrong है. gene is used for the production of dwarf rice varieties. ये भी wrong. Spirulina is a eukaryotic source of single cell protein. ये भी wrong है. तो correct answer is 1. Next, which of the following is regarded as the first antibiotic discovered? First antibiotic discovered হচ্ছে penicillin. Next, alcoholic beverages can be produced with the help of alcoholic. For this is Saccharomyces cerevisiae is the right answer. So next, RNA polymerase 2 catalyzes the transcription of hnRNA. The answer is hnRNA. On which of the following location of hnRNA coupling is done? So the coupling is done in 5-N. Distance between two consecutive base pairs in DNA is approximately, distance between base pair হচ্ছে 3.4 nanometer, sorry 0.34 nanometer. Next, which of the following is not a property of genetic code? Universal तो property, degenerator property, triplet property, but overlapping is not the property. So answer is overlapping. Next, which of the following microbes can be used for commercial production of acetic acid? Acetic acid, so we all know Acetobacter aceti. Among the following options, choose the organism responsible for the production of clot buster bioactive molecule streptokinase. Clot buster হচ্ছে streptococcus. Next, template independent RNA synthesis can be catalyzed by polynucleotide phosphorylase is the answer. Next, DNA is the genetic material. It was equivocally proved through the experiments conducted by Avery MacLeod and M.C. Cattry. Which of the following initiates the process of transcription in prokaryotes হচ্ছে sigma factor. The elucidation of lac operon was also a result of close association between genetics Francois Jacob and হচ্ছে জ্যাকব মনড. আমরা জানি যে জ্যাকব অ্যান্ড মনড. So next, regulation of lac operon by dash is referred to as dash regulation. So কি বলেছে, চুজ দ্য কারেক্ট অপশন ফর এ অ্যান্ড বি রেসপেক্টিভলি. Regulation of lac operand by operator is referred to as negative regulation is the correct answer. So which one? Third one option is correct. Next, which of the following processes joins the exons and removes the introns to make the primary transcript functional? तो एक्सॉन के जॉइन करे joins exon and removes introns, so splicing option 1 is correct. The model organism used by Michelson and Sathil that suggested the semi-conservative nature of replication was semi-conservative হচ্ছে Escherichia coli, option 2 is correct. Next, if 30th codon of a gene that is encoding 8 polypeptide if 30th codon of a gene that is encoding a polypeptide chain having 80 amino acids is converted to UGA, what will be the impact on the polypeptide chain? Resulting polypeptide would have 29 amino acid. 30th codon मतलब 29 amino acids is correct. Next, read the following statements and choose the options which is true for them. Statement 1. Okazoki fragments are used to elongate the lagging strand towards replication fork. ये तो true है. Statement B. Leading daughter strand synthesis occur away from the direction of replication fork. A भी सही है. तो both A and B are correct. Which of the following is most commonly used as mutagens to improve the plant varieties? হচ্ছে gamma rays. Next, which of the following crops is used for the production of protein fortified wheat? হচ্ছে Atlas 66. protein fortified হচ্ছে Atlas 66 is correct. Next, statement A. Jaya and Ratna are the varieties of wheat which brought green revolution. Statement B. M.S. Swaminathan is considered as the father of international green revolution. Both are true. Both are true. B. C. Which of the following is in sewage plants are considered as biological treatment? Biological treatment হচ্ছে both primary and secondary, both biological. Next, lactobacillus mediated conversion of milk into curd increases the content of dash nutrient in curd, vitamin B12. Among the following groups of microbes, which one can be best employed as biocontrol agents? Trichoderma, baculovirus, Bacillus thuringiensis. 1 is correct answer. Next, major composition of biogas includes CH4 and CO2 major. तो guys, next शुरू करते हैं. Biochemical oxygen demand estimates amount of pollutants in air, no. Amount of organic matter in sewage, no. Amount of adulterants in oil, no. Amount of organic matter produced in biogas plant is correct. So 4 is correct. Next, which of the following characteristics should be exhibited by a biocontrol agent to become a component of IPM? Answer is broad spectrum and symbiotic. 3. Next, select the correct match from the following options with respect to organisms and their commercial products. Spirulina, butyric acid, no. Trichoderma citric acid, no. Aspergillus niger, cyclosporin A, no. Monascus purpus হচ্ছে statins. 4 is correct. Which of the following organisms was used by Frederick Griffith in the transformation experiment Escherichia coli? In the nucleus of diploid eukaryotic cell, how many nucleosomes will be present if it contains 4.2 into 10 to the 6 base pairs? So इस मैथ को समझना पड़ेगा. Each nucleosome is 200 and nucleosomes is equal to 4.2 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 6 by 200. तो ये करने से हमको मिलता है 2.1 into 10 to the power 4 nucleosome. So answer is 3. So answer is 2.1 into 10 to the power 4 nucleosomes. Next, the positive charge of histone proteins are due to serine and lysine residues. Option number 2. Next, which of the following enzymes catalyzes the formation of DNA over RNA template? Reverse transcriptase. Mark the incorrect statement for double helix structure of DNA. The two chains run in anti-parallel fashion. Correct. It's correct. Next, the two chains are helically twisted in a right-handed fashion. It's correct. Amount of purinase is not equal to the amount of purines is not equal to the amount of pyridines. A galat is incorrect. So answer is 3. 4 is also correct. A dinucleotide does not contain N-glycosidic linkage. Answer is 2. N-glycosidic linkage. अब आते हैं सेक्शन बी. Identify the following statement as true or false. A. Methanogens aerobically degrade cellulosic material to produce methane. False. ये तो false. Wrong. तो false कौन से नंबर में पहले है? 2 और 3. तो 2 और 3 में से कोई होगा. Next, methanogens are found in anaerobic sludge produced during sewage treatment. Is true. So option number 2. Next, read the following statements and choose the correct option. Statement A. Flocks are responsible for the aerobic degradation of organic waste in sewage. ये करेक्ट लग रहा है. देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट, sedimentation flocks constitute activated sludge. Is false. So statement A is correct. Next, in sewage treatment process, suspended solids can be removed by primary treatment. In paddy fields, the cyanobacteria dash acts as an important biofertilizer. Select the correct option. Biofertilizer হচ্ছে azospirillum. Option 4 is correct. Next, what will be the approximate length of a mammalian DNA double helix if the total number of base pairs are 6.8 into 10 to the power 9 and distance between two consecutive base pairs is 3.4 angstrom? Total is how much? Total is 3.8, so total is 3.8 into 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power 9. ডিস্টেন্স বিটুইন বেস পেয়ার্স হচ্ছে 3.4 অ্যামস্ট্রং। তো অ্যামস্ট্রংকে যদি মিটারে করা হয় তাহলে 3.4 ইন্টু 10 টু দি পাওয়ার -10, তাহলে টোটাল লেন্থ হচ্ছে 6.8 ইন্টু 10 টু দি পাওয়ার 9 ইন্টু 3.4 ইন্টু 10 टू द पावर -10। ओके, तो इसका प्रोडक्ट होगा 2.3 मीटर्स। तो आंसर इज 2.3। Which of the following happens in the first phase of translation? फर्स्ट फेज में द बाइंडिंग ऑफ mRNA एंड राइबोसोम। 4 आंसर। नेक्स्ट, टू व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोमोटर sequence RNA polymerase binds during transcription to assume saddle like structure? হচ্ছে TA, we all know that. Next, sequence of which of the following structures dictates the amino acids sequence in polypeptide formed in translation? হচ্ছে 2 mRNA. Which of the following phenomena serves as the basis of DNA fingerprinting and human genome mapping? DNA polymorphism. So answer is DNA polymorphism. So next, match the correct pairing with respect to tRNA structure. অ্যামিনো অ্যাসিড অ্যাকসেপ্টার আর্ম হচ্ছে DHU লুপ। ইয়েস। नेक्स्ट, एमिनो एसाइल सिंथेसिस बाइंडिंग लूप। ए भी है mRNA इंटरेक्टिंग लूप। तो ए है 1, ए के साथ, बी क्यू के साथ। एंटीकोडन लूप, एंटीकोडन भी 3' पे है। और डी, आइडेंटिफाई द इनकरेक्ट मैच। रेप्लिकेशन, ओकाज़की फ्रैगमेंट आर फॉर्म, ट्रू। ट्रांसक्रिप्शन रो फैक्टर सर्व्स, ट्रू। ट्रांसलेशन रिलीज फैक्टर सर्व्स एज द इनिशिएशन फैक्टर। ये रॉन्ग है, तो 3 नंबर ऑप्शन करेक्ट होगा। नेक्स्ट, which of the following is true regarding satellite DNA in humans? They are non-repetitive DNA segments। ये तो रॉन्ग, गलत। 2 भी गलत, आंसर इज 3। नेक्स्ट, in lac operon, if a nonsense mutation occurs in a structural gene, which of the following enzyme will be synthesized? Option A, permease and beta galactosidase। Next, Sonalika and Kollan Sona are not rice varieties। Fusion of protoplast can be induced by PEG and sodium nitrate। सो आज का सेशन यहाँ पर ही ख़त्म। सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर। एंड इसके बाद हम आकाश इंस्टीट्यूट का और भी क्वेश्चन लाएंगे, हर रोज़ लाएंगे, तो फॉलो कीजिए।